If you don't have an HDMI cable, don't buy one yet. There's a built-in wireless feature that lets you connect your laptop to your TV instantly. Most people miss one small setting, and that's why it fails. I'll show you the correct way, plus a second method that works almost every time. First, check this, or nothing will work. Your laptop and your TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your TV, open Settings, go to Network, and confirm Wi-Fi is connected. Now on your laptop, click the Wi-Fi icon, and make sure it's the exact same network. Once that's done, use Method 1. This first method works on most smart TVs in seconds. Open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Cast. When the cast window opens, click Sources. This part matters. Choose Cast Screen, not Cast Tab. Now select your TV name. Within seconds, your laptop screen appears on your TV. You can open apps, play videos, or present anything, but if your TV doesn't appear, use this next method. It's more direct. This second method is built into Windows and works even when casting fails. Press Windows key and K on your keyboard. A connection panel will open. Select your TV. Your screen will connect immediately. This method is faster and more reliable on most systems. Now here's something most people don't know. You can turn your TV into a second monitor. Open Settings. Go to System. Then, Display. Scroll to multiple displays. Select Extend these displays. Now your TV becomes a separate screen. You can move videos, browsers, or apps onto it. This is perfect for multitasking or watching content on a bigger screen. That's it. You can now connect your laptop to your TV wirelessly, without HDMI. Simple, fast, and no cables needed.